like I'm trapped.
Take care of you.
Hold on.
Remember, you need to wash your hair.
Yeah, alright.
We've got tons of stuff to do today. Wash your hair.
I'll turn off my iPad. Where do I put my...
Up to you. In your room somewhere. For the rest of it.
For now?
For the moment, but you got them in your room somewhere.
I'll bring them downstairs with me. Krshuga's adorable.
She is. That didn't work.
This one's mine, right? Yeah, this is
That's yours.
definitely
That's yours.
mine. Be careful. It's just, I'll just